Hi, today I'll be teaching you how to use Facebook. Facebook is a social media platform that allows you to connect with friends and family, share updates, and see what other people are posting. In this video, I'll walk you through the basic features so you can get started using it. Okay, let me get to the Facebook. Wherever it's hiding. There it is. So here's where you log in. For most people, you're going to create a new account. Well, I guess it already logged me in, but anyway, so first you open up your web browser and go to facebook.com. Once the page loads up, you'll see a login section, and that's where you enter your email address or phone number along with your password, and you'll click the login. And if you don't already have an account, then that's when you'll go and create a new account and follow the instructions that are below it. And it usually takes only a couple minutes to sign up. It'll ask your name, date of birth, your gender, your preferred email or phone number, maybe like a security question. But after that, after logging in, you'll be taken to your home feed, which is this is what it looks like. It's kind of slow a little bit, but it's usually what it should look like on a computer. Here we go. Let me stretch this out. But yeah, after logging in, you'll be taken to your home feed. This is the main page where you can see posts from your friends, pages, and groups you follow. As you scroll down, you'll notice updates like photos, videos, pages, and groups. This is where you can stay updated with others, and like sharing and liking content. To create your own post, you'll be going up here. It will say what's on your mind, Noah, or whatever your name may be. And from there, you'll look for the box, click on it. A new window will appear where you can type your message out. You can share your thoughts, updates, or anything you'd like to see. You also have the option to add photos or videos by clicking on the photo icon down here, photo or video. Once you're finished, you click the post button, share it with your friends. So it could be whatever, and then you can also have gifts, put your location check-ins, what you're feeling, or tagging people. You can also interact with other people's posts in a few different ways. If you like something, click the like button. They also have reacts, love, care, haha, wow, sad, and angry. You could also leave a comment by clicking the comment and typing your response. If you want to share a post with others, you can also click the share button, which would be this one right here, to help you stay engaged and connected with others as well. Searching for friends. If you want to find friends, you go to the search bar at the top of the screen, type in a person's name, and once you select the correct person, then they click add friend button to send them a request. Once they accept, you'll be able to see their post and interact with them. So let's just put John. I don't know. John Norman. Let's see how John know who this is, but you'll say add friend right here. And typically, if they have a mutual, that means that mutual meaning someone that's friended with you as well. And if they don't, then that means they don't have no friends that are you are friends with. So just heads up on that one. As far as notifications, to check your notifications, you look for the bell icon, which will be this one. And sadly, I don't have any notifications. But this will help you show updates like friend requests, comments on your posts, and likes. Notifications help you keep track of what's happening on your account, let you respond quickly. In closing, after all these steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, this is pretty much how you'll be using Facebook. Let me go back to the menu. You can also see through here other things. So there's a lot of gadgets through Facebook, and pretty much it's a simple, useful way to stay connected and share information and interact with others online. With practice, you'll become more comfortable using all of its features. And even if you prefer not to watch this video, you can still contact friends or family. I mean, this is a long app that's been around for a while, so I mean, it's constantly getting updated and constantly being worked on. But for the most part, the simplicity is kind of stayed the same. So you'll figure it out in no time. I trust you on that, and I appreciate you for the time and thank you for watching.